Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make 2-ingredient grape sorbet. This incredibly simple recipe requires just frozen grapes and a splash of liquid. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a refreshing, healthy dessert with minimal effort. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform these basic items into a delightful, icy treat. Get ready to create a vibrant and naturally sweet sorbet that everyone will love. Now let's get blending. Take your frozen grapes and add them to a powerful blender. Start with about 4 cups of grapes. Then add just a couple of tablespoons of liquid like water or lemon juice. This helps the blades catch the fruit and prevents your blender from getting stuck. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed as the grapes break down. As you blend, you'll want to pause occasionally and scrape down the sides of the blender. This ensures all the grape pieces are incorporated evenly. Keep blending until the mixture is completely smooth with no visible ice chunks. The goal is a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more liquid, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches perfection. Your delicious 2-ingredient grape sorbet is now ready. For the absolute best experience, serve it immediately while it's still wonderfully soft and creamy. If you prefer a firmer texture, you can transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for about 30 minutes before serving. A sprig of fresh mint or a few extra grapes make a lovely garnish. Enjoy this simple, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.